How to spot a high quality bridal dress versus a cheap one. Hello everyone, and I'm Sweta. Welcome to Finesse Couture Insights. Today's episode is about decoding bridal fashion like a pro. Whether you're a stylist, a bride, or a fashion designer. Let me take you through what it takes to differentiate between a high quality bridal dress versus a cheap one. We will dive into the fabrics, the craftsmanship, and all the tiny details that make or break a gown. If you find this helpful, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you never miss an insight from us. Let's begin with the foundation of every bridal dress, the fabric. The luxury feel test. Every bridal gown, especially the luxury ones, are made out of natural fibers like silk, satin, organza. They not only feel smooth to the skin, they're breathable, they flow beautifully, they drape well and photograph like a dream. Cheap materials have a plastic-like sheen to them, and they feel itchy and uncomfortable on the skin. Luxury fabrics are more breathable and skin-friendly, whereas cheaper materials may feel itchy and harsh on the skin. A well-made bridal dress is thoughtfully lined and fully layered. This adds depth without adding bulk. If you see the inside of the dress, it will be smooth and finished. If there's anything unfinished, then it's not made with care. So next time you buy a bridal dress, start with your fingertips. Fabrics don't lie. The hidden indicators, the structure and the stitching. A well-made bridal gown will have precision stitching. The insides of the dress will be neatly finished. All the seams will be well done with no loose ends. Internal construction. A well-made bridal gown will have good construction that holds the dress well. Look for bust cups, reinforced seams and bowlings. These hold the dress beautifully on the body and give the body good shape. Hemline and seams. All the hemlines and seams will be neatly finished. They will lie flat and will be very smooth. If you turn the dress inside out, the inside would be as beautiful as the outside. Fastenings that last. Well-made bridal gowns have very high quality fasteners like zips, buttons. These would not be cheap and not wear away with one or two wears or flip open. Construction is everything. A beautifully structured gown not only looks better, but it fits precisely. Embellishment elegance. Not all sparkle is equal. Embellishments are where bridal dresses can often dazzle or disappoint. Technique. A well-made bridal dress will be beautifully hand-beaded or embroidered. Each stitch is done by hand. This not only ensures durability, but good quality and intentional beauty. Consistency and placement. A well-made bridal dress will have the design beautifully placed and enhance the curves. It would be symmetric or asymmetric and well-balanced design. So it totally elevates the look of the gown. Whereas a cheap one would look patchy, not so well-made, machine-made, with beads falling apart. And the overall design would not really enhance the shape or the dress. Materials used. A well-made bridal dress would have high-quality materials like crystals, pearls, and glass beads. A cheap-looking gown might just have sequins and a few glass beads thrown in here and there. Durability test. Try your fingers on the beading or the embroidery. A well-made dress, the beads will not fall off or lose shape, whereas in a cheap dress, the beads might just start falling off and they will not be durable. Remember, real embellishment adds sophistication, not just sparkle. Fit and tailoring, the couture difference. Last but not the least, the fit. The most luxurious dress can fail without a proper fit. A couture fit. A quality dress is made with such a beautiful fit that it feels like it was made just for you. It hugs where it should and it flows where it must. Princess seams, darts, godets, everything are added to make the dress look and fit beautifully. Ease of movement. A couture fit gown fits like a dream. It is made with a bride in mind. So when you wear the dress, it feels easy and comfortable. You can walk, dance, and celebrate without feeling caught. Alteration flexibility. A well-made bridal dress will have some extra seam allowance so that a piece can be altered when it needs to be. They understand that a little bit of alteration might be required. Support without compromise. A well-made bridal dress has a beautiful support structure. It doesn't depend upon external bra straps or external structure. It includes hidden corsetry, bust structure for a seamless silhouette. Fit is where everything comes together. It's the difference between wearing a dress and owning the room. Price range and perceived value. Understanding the investment. Now let's address a big factor that often gets misunderstood. The price. Price versus quality. While price alone isn't the ultimate indicator of the quality of a dress, it plays a crucial part. It often reflects the craftsmanship, the number of hours taken to make the gown, or the beading in the material. If a bridal dress is unusually cheap, it is quite possible that corners have been cut somewhere, whether in fabric, the detailing, or the beading. Why couture costs more? High-end bridal designers work with premium fabrics, and the beading and embellishments is high quality. The artisans they use are very good. They spend significant amount of time trying to achieve the perfect fit and balance of the dress. All of this is reflected in the final price. Beware the mass market. Usually gowns are produced in high numbers in mass market, and then the prices are increased just so that they can compete with the luxurious dress. But remember, if you see those kind of dresses, the price tag could be high, but you need to see the quality behind it. Think of it as a legacy piece. A well-made bridal gown is not just for one day. It could be a treasured piece or an heirloom. That alone makes the investment worthwhile. So yes, price matters, but only when it's paired with a discerning eye for quality. Okay. In summary, a truly well-crafted bridal dress doesn't just turn heads. It fits beautifully, feels luxurious, and stands the test of time. From the fabric and the embroidery, the structure and the stitching, every detail speaks volumes about the quality. So whether you're designing, shopping, or styling, trust your eye, trust your touch, and always value true craftsmanship. Thank you for joining me today on Finesse Couture Insights. I'm Sweta, and until next time, celebrate elegance and choose quality that lasts.